Hey there, plant lovers! Looking to add some greenery to your home but worried about the upkeep? I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 easy care houseplants that even the least green thumb can manage. First up, the snake plant. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this plant is nearly indestructible. It thrives on neglect and purifies air. Next, the spider plant. With its arching leaves and baby offshoots, it's both decorative and super easy to grow. Just give it some indirect sunlight and occasional watering. Third on the list, pothos. This trailing vine is a favorite for its adaptability. It can grow in low light and even water. Now let's talk about the ZZ plant. It's practically a miracle plant. Low light, low water, no problem. Perfect for any corner of your home. Fifth, the peace lily. Besides its gorgeous white blooms, it's great at improving indoor air quality. Water it once a week and enjoy. Moving on to the aloe vera plant. Not only is it easy to care for, but it's also useful for minor cuts and burns. Just place it in a sunny spot and water sparingly. Seventh, the rubber plant. Its glossy leaves can bring a touch of elegance to your space. It prefers bright, indirect light and enjoys a good watering during its growing season. Next, the philodendron. Whether it's climbing or trailing, this plant is super forgiving. It's perfect for those who might forget to water now and then. Ninth, the cast iron plant. True to its name, it's tough as nails. Low light, low water, it doesn't mind at all. Finally, the jade plant. This succulent is a symbol of good luck. It needs bright light and a little water, and it'll thrive for years. So there you have it, 10 low-maintenance houseplants that will make your home greener and your life easier. Happy planting!